In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful German meatloaf filled with eggs. In German we call it Deutscher Hackbraten or Falscher Hase. So this is a great meal that you can cook when you're on a budget, but it's also great to feed a big family as well. I'm gonna also show you how to make a beautiful gravy that goes with it, and I promise you it won't take long to cook this German meatloaf. Kia ora and welcome to Swedish Cooking. Anke here, and I do hope you will enjoy this recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. It will help me to grow my channel, and also that way you never miss another video. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. Now I dished up my meatloaf with a side of mashed potatoes and some Brussels sprouts. And now it's a good time to give it a go. Bit of the gravy. This meatloaf is so tasty, and the gravy is just gorgeous with the onions in it. Just a beautiful meal for the whole family. I do hope you enjoyed this video and will share it with your friends and family. And for some reason my cat, come here, wants to have a go as well. This is Buster. And so yeah, I do hope you will share this recipe with your friends and family and try it for yourself, of course. And if you haven't subscribed to my cooking channel yet, now is a good time to do so. And if you would like to know how to make those beautiful Brussels sprouts, which I served as a side dish, then you need to watch my next video. I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking, everyone.